Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limit. Kindly refers to the question. We have limit when x approaching 2 for the function 10 minus 3x minus x squared over x minus 2. If we substitute the 2 into the function, and we will have 10 minus the 6 minus the 4 over, we have the 2 minus the 2 and we will have 0. Then we will have 0 over 0 where we have indeterminate form. So for this case, we have three strategies. Number 1, factorize the situation. Number 2, multiply by the conjugate. And number 3, long division. So for this case, we can factorize the situation. So if we factorize, and we will have limit when x approaching 2. If we factorize, and we will have 5 plus the x multiply with 2 minus the x over, we have x minus the 2. Next, limit when x approaching 2. Kindly factor the 2 minus x for the negative. So negative bracket 5 plus the x multiply with x minus the 2 over x minus the 2. Kindly simplify the situation. Limit when x approaching 2, and we will have negative bracket 5 plus the x. If we substitute the value, and we will have the situation negative 7. So limit when x approaching 2 for the function 10 minus 3x minus the x squared over x minus 2. The value of y will be approaching negative 7. Next, kindly refers to the situation B. Limit when x approaching infinity for the function x plus 2 over the x minus 1. If we substitute the situation, and we will have the infinity over the infinity where we have the indeterminate form. So the strategy would be divide the highest power of the denominator. So in here we have the situation x. So kindly divide the x. So in here my suggestion would be factorize the x. So limit when x approaching positive infinity, factor out the x, and we will have 1 plus the 2 over x over, here we have x bracket, we have 1 minus 1 over x. So if we simplify, and we will have limit when x approaching infinity, so 1 plus 2 over x over 1 minus 1 over x. So as we all know, 2 over infinity, and we will have 0. So if we substitute, and we will have 1. So limit when x approaching infinity for the function x plus the 2 over x minus 1, the value of y will be approaching y equals to 1. Next, kindly refers to C. So as we can see in here, we have the definition, modulus of x minus 3. Kindly define the situation, and we have x minus the 3, x minus 3 greater equals to 0. Another one, negative bracket x minus 3. And we will have x minus 3 less than 0. So we will have x minus 3, x greater equals to 3, and we have negative bracket x minus 3, and we have the domain x less than 3. So if it refers to the number line, we have the 3 on the left hand side where we have the function negative bracket x minus the 3. Whereas for the right hand side, or we can say x greater equals to 3, the function will be x minus the 3. So kindly refers to the question, we have 3 negative means that 3 from the left. So we have to choose the function negative bracket x minus 3. So kindly substitute the situation. So limit when x approaching 3 from the left. The function will be negative bracket x minus the 3 over, we have the x squared minus 2x minus 3. If we factorize the situation, and we will have x minus 3, x plus the 1. Kindly simplify the situation. Limit when x approaching 3 from the left. If we simplify, we will have negative 1 over x plus the 1. If we substitute, and we will have negative 1 over the 4. So limit when x approaching 3 from the left for the function modulus x minus 3 over, we have the x squared minus 2x minus the 3, and the value of y will be approaching negative 1 over 4.